In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section on Squarespace. Whether you're building a new website or refreshing an existing one, adding sections is an essential part of designing a website that feels cohesive, functional, and visually appealing. Squarespace makes this process simple and intuitive, even if you're not a professional designer. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log in to your account. If you're looking for a quicker login process, you can also use the Continue with Google option to access your account seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Take a moment to locate and select the website where you want to add a new section. Be sure to choose the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. It's always worth double-checking to avoid unnecessary edits to the wrong site. Next, click the Edit option to enter the editor mode. This is where all the customization happens. For most users, you'll find the Edit option on the left-hand side panel. Or in some cases, it might appear as a button directly on the site preview. Once you're in editor mode, it's time to add the new section. Look for the button labeled Add Section. If you don't see it right away, keep an eye out for a plus sign symbol. Sometimes it's displayed this way instead, depending on your layout or editor version. Now that you've found the button, click it, and you'll be presented with a variety of section styles to choose from. Squarespace offers a range of pre-designed layouts for different purposes. For example, you might find styles that are perfect for image galleries, text blocks, call to action sections, or even client testimonials. Each option has its own unique layout and function, so take a moment to browse through and think about the purpose of this new section. Whether you're highlighting your portfolio, sharing an announcement, or creating a visual break in your content, there's a layout that'll suit your needs. Once you've reviewed the options, select the section style that best fits your vision and complements the overall design of your page. Remember, this is where you can get creative and choose something that aligns with the look and feel of your website. After adding the section, you'll notice it appear on your page. From here, you can start customizing it to make it truly your own. Now, adjust the newly added section as needed. You can tweak the layout, add or remove individual elements, or even change the color scheme to better match your site's branding. Customization is key here. It ensures that the section serves its intended purpose while enhancing the overall user experience of your website. For example, if you've added a testimonial section, you can replace the placeholder text with real client feedback and adjust the font or spacing to make it stand out. If you want to take it a step further, don't hesitate to experiment with different settings. Squarespace's user-friendly interface is designed to encourage creativity, so feel free to explore options for spacing, alignment, or even animations within the section. This is your chance to fine-tune the appearance and functionality until everything looks just right. Think of it as fine-tuning a puzzle piece to fit perfectly into the larger picture of your website. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a new section on your Squarespace website. From selecting the layout to personalizing the details, you now have everything you need to make your pages even more engaging and tailored to your audience. If you're new to Squarespace, don't forget to check the link in the description to create your account and start building your dream website today. So now you know exactly how to add a new section to your Squarespace site and make it your own. If you have any questions or want to share your progress, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.